Alright, my friends, let's go ahead and finish our example by going ahead and style this thing right here. Everything has a class name except for the A, which we can go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna give it a class name equal btn, alright, or button. Pretty straightforward. Now I'm gonna open my CSS editor, so I need it, and I'm just gonna start with my title. So let's go ahead and what we want to do. So the first thing first, we want to go ahead and center it, which is really straightforward. Just type text hyphen align and set the value of it to be center. It is really easy. So text align like this to be center. All right, we got center it. We center it. Now we can push. We have some space between our H2 and the box. So it's a margin bottom. So you can see it right here, this is space, it's a margin bottom. I'm just gonna say margin hyphen bottom. So I'm just gonna say margin from the bottom to be 3 rem or 2 rem or any value that you feel happy with. All right, let's see the values, or let's see the changes. Okay, bottom, okay, like this. So you got it like this. This is space that I am talking about. I think we need some space from the top maybe, or let's ignore it for now. We will focus on that later on. I'm gonna focus on my box right here. So I'm gonna target it using box. So the first thing that you will notice is that the width will take not the entire width. It is like 60. All right, 60, because we can see the box has a space from here and space from here, and it's not taking the entire width of the screen. So we can go ahead and say width to be something like 60% maybe, and let's take a look, and I think it is the correct value right now. Another thing that we want to focus on, it is center the box here inside our screen. So it's really easy to do so using margin. So I'm just gonna say margin from the top and bottom 0, from the left and right I will say auto, so it will be automatically set and we will get it here on the center. Really straightforward. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and go apply a shadow, because we can see we got some shadow here on our box. So let me just say box hyphen shadow. All right, so box, oh, come on, box shadow like this. All right, and I'm just gonna say 2 pixels by 4 pixels, and the value I'm just gonna use a black or black color here. We got it like this. As you can see how it's going to look like. Now another thing that we want to apply, it is a padding from for our box from all sides, because we can see we got some space between the text as well as the box. All right, so here I'm just gonna say padding. All right, padding to be 0.6 rem, let's say, from all sides, and let's take a look. Now it is much nicer. However, from the left and right I'm just gonna say 0.9 rem. All right, it is more value I'm gonna specify. Another thing that I'm going to do, I'm gonna center the text inside the div. So I'm just gonna say text hyphen align to be center. All right, like this, and I think it's much nicer now. And as you can see, we are done with the first two parts, with the first two tags. The first one is the H2 right here, and the div that we have right here. In the next video we are going to focus on the B as well as the A right here. So thank you my friends so much for watching. See you in the next one.